You will need a dashcam, adhesive, Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead, a ratchet with an extension, an 11mm socket, a trim piece, zip ties, nose pliers, and hardwire accessory with a fuse tab attached, a drill as well as drill bits. Figuring out where the dash camera is going to be at, we will run the wiring behind all the trim pieces, down the side of the vehicle, and into the interior fuse box. Behind these two plastic pieces are two bolts that are needed to be removed. Use a trim piece to open up the areas. Using our ratchet with an extension and 11mm socket, we are able to remove the bolts. Carefully pull out on the handle and it should come out easily. From here, you should be able to pull out the weather stripping easily out and out of the way. From below, there are two screws that need to be removed out. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, the screws should come out easily. Once both of the screws are removed, the piece should be wiggled out. Grab the hardwire accessory, fuse, and attach the same amp used in the dash cam into the fuse tab. Grab the other end of the hardwire accessory kit and run it through behind all the wires and covers and up the side of the vehicle. Running up the wiring behind the handle is a trick piece, so make sure none of the wiring is getting attached to the clip pieces. In this spot here, you're able to find out if the wiring is enough to attach to the dash cam. After attaching the adhesive for the dash cam, plug in the wire to the dash cam and attach it to the window. Once everything fits, grab the rest of the wiring and hide it on top of the vehicle. If needed, use a trim piece removal to stick everything back in. And from here, everything looks flushed. Because of the length of the wiring, you need the zip ties to wrap everything together. Using a drill and drill bits, I'll be making a hole for the ground wire. After getting the screw for the ground wire, I now have access for the hot wire into the fuse. As you can see, you see the ground wire connected as well as the fuse tab in. Now reversing all the steps made with the magic, everything went back into piece and nothing is sticking out. Now plugging the key into the ignition and turning on the vehicle, you can notice the dash cam turns right on.